Dr. Formulated Conditioner. This doctor-developed scalp relief conditioner soothes, calms and nourishes an itchy scalp and promotes scalp repair as it replenishes and moisturizes with a prescription-free formula. Hair Scalp Care. The scalp treatment conditioner with Therapeutic Psorzema Herbal Blend relieves a scaly, flaky and dry scalp and promotes shiny, manageable and healthy-looking hair. All-natural formula. Tree and Menthol help calm and cool itch for on-contact scalp relief. Salicylic Acid lifts away excess flakes and surface buildup. Aloe Vera Extract soothes irritation, and Provitamin B5 deeply hydrates and nourishes. Daily Hair Care. This DERMA E scalp conditioner is gentle enough for daily use. For best results, apply to hair that's been freshly shampooed with DERMA E Scalp Relief Shampoo. Allow the scalp health conditioner to penetrate for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse, towel dry and style as usual. DERMA E. Clean beauty products that harness nature's most effective ingredients. 100% vegan and cruelty-free, our eco-ethical haircare products contain no parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, petrolatum, lanolin, gluten, soy or GMOs, and are supplied in recyclable packaging. Top reviews from the United States. Helps lessen itching of scalp psoriasis. The DERMA E Scalp Relief Shampoo and Conditioner help with scalp psoriasis. Helps with itching. Doesn't get rid of it, but does help more than any other shampoo conditioner.